Hi there, my name is Chef Omboy. Welcome. I'm so excited to see you. Thank you for clicking into this video. I make videos every week, cooking videos. If you want to make easy recipes at the comfort of your home, these videos are for you. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make curry chicken yam with fried rice, and I'll be showing you the easiest way how I do it. So I know everyone is busy. Some of us are moms, others go to work, but we want to make the best meals for our families. So I'm going to be marinating my chicken for up to 8 hours so that the marinade gets into the chicken and it becomes juicy and gets all those flavors. Then I'll just show you how we're going to do that. Thank you so much. You're welcome next time. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you. The reason we are marinating our chicken is just to save time, and we are using most of those ingredients like the flour. It helps to bind all the spices together with the meat, and something like turmeric, it's very beneficial for our bodies to prevent like heart diseases. So most of these spices are quite important, like the garlic and ginger, but it's not a must for you to use like the cumin or the garam masala if you don't have that. So just use basic salt, pepper, maybe turmeric. Curry powder is very important, the flour to bind all the spices together, and then we're just going to put it in the fridge for about 2 hours or overnight. The more we marinate, the better and more yummy it will become. So I marinated mine and just put it in the fridge overnight. So this process is quite important, and it's going to save us lots and lots of time. And while this is marinating, we are going to be cooking our fried rice. So now we are going to cook our chicken, and I have like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm adding in my onions. I know my onions look funny. I tried blending them, but my blender failed me. So that's why they look that way, but they are quite okay. I'm going to cook my onion and then add my spices, of which I will list for you guys. This was so easy to make, and I hope you try it as well. Please let me know in the comment section below if you do.